Hello friends, if we continue with the previous problem, now we are going to focus on this particular thing in the AIP, okay, auxiliary inclined plane. That is what is our focus point is. Let us read what the statement says. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to the VP, inclined at 45 degree to the HP, and passing to the point on the axis 10 mm below from the top face. ठीक है, as we have changed this particular axis height, so let us change this point by say 20 mm, isn't it? Okay, so let us read this problem statement again. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP, inclined at 45 degree to the HP, and passing to the point on the axis 20 mm below from the top face of the prism. So let us solve this. Offset by 20 mm. So it is being offset by 20 mm. A line at 45 degree. So a line passing from this particular point, whose diameter at the rate say 30 mm and at an angle 45. Enter. Okay, so that line is being drawn. Now if we extend this particular line, or this cutting plane, it will come up to this, isn't it? So let us erase that particular after this point. Okay, so this is what is the cutting plane. This line is also not required as of now. Dimension we can mark, which is nothing but the 20 mm. Okay, now if we mark this points line from here to ortho needs to be on, from here to here, then from here to here, from this point to this point, isn't it? Now this point needs to be transferred. How it will be transferred? From this point to the edge, like this, isn't it? And from D we are going to measure it. So a circle from D for drawing the arc, isn't it? From D to E and D to C. So let us copy this particular circle from D. So it is from D to C and on D to E, isn't it? So these are the points. Are you getting me? These are the points. This is from D to E, this is the point, and this is from D to C. So this is the point. Now let us do the development part. Unwanted portion, let us trim. Okay. Now if we draw a line with the help of yellow color, which is the first point? This is the first point, A. It is starting from A to B, and for B this is the next point. Then it is going to C. For C it is cutting at this particular point, then it is cutting over here, isn't it? Then it is cutting till this particular end. D point is not getting visualized. Then to this point E, isn't it? Then this point F, where is the point F? On this particular edge, and then this is the point A. So this is what solution of our problem. Done. Now let us erase all the unwanted lines. Let me copy this first. This is by yellow color and which is the center line, isn't it?